Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel and join me for this week's cooking experience. Today I'm going to share my favorite chicken drum recipe, the salted chicken drum. Salted poultry is a recipe from the famous Jinling cuisine. Some says it has over 2,000 years of history. The most famous is salted duck, but I found that the chicken drum is very tasty too. The dish looks plain, but is packed with flavor. To start, we need to stir fry the salt. Yes, you hear me right. Stir fry the salt. In a heated pan without oil, add 4 tablespoons of salt. Adjust the amount as needed. I use this amount of salt for 10 chicken drums. Add 3 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns. Mix a little bit. Toss in 1 dried bay leaf. I broke it into 2 pieces so that it's easy to stir. I'm using the Himalayan pink salt for its flavor. Sea salt or the plain salt works too. Medium heat, stir for 5 minutes or until the color of the salt gets darker, which means the salt absorbs enough Sichuan pepper and bay leaf flavor. Rub the salt mixture around each individual chicken drum. Cover with plastic wrap. Store in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. Then gently wash off the peppercorns and bay leaf. Boil the seasoned chicken drum, simmer for 20 minutes. Drain the chicken drums, put them in a container, refrigerate for 2 hours or longer. Transfer chicken drum to the chopping board, cut and serve. They can be consumed directly without cutting as well. Drip some sesame oil. The chicken meat is tight, but not as hard as jerkies. Great to serve as an appetizer or eat with rice or noodles. Well, this is for today. If you enjoyed this episode and the simple recipe, please push the like button and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.